Unboxing. Hotone SoulPress 2 Volume Expression Wah Pedal. Very nice pedal. Good. The output. The switch. Battery compartment. Open the battery. We will insert the battery. Here, there's the battery compartment. Right. So we will insert the 9-volt battery. Yeah. So now we have inserted the battery. We're going to plug the cable. You see the light is on. So when you press, you have to choose wah. Yeah. Volume. Choose volume, wah, warm or classic. So I put warm, classic, and the tone half, and we will see the lights. So when you press the wah, yeah, the lights will on. Okay, so when you press, it will off. This is off. So when you press, it's on. So if you are using your leg, you have to press hard. Yes. Okay. How much wah, it will show you the indicator. That's the wah pedal. And inside the box you have this. Okay. The manual. Okay. Instruction manual. And the strap for your pedal board. Okay, that's it. SoulPress 2 from Hotone.